So in this Apple Notes tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to italicize text here on the Notes app on your Apple device. So once you have the Notes app open up on your device, simply just type in whatever you want. So if we're going to italicize it, I'm just going to type in the word italicize. And as you can tell, as of right now, the text actually is bolded from a prior example. So it's pretty straightforward. What I want you to do is press on the text right here. I want you to press on select to highlight the entire thing. I then want you to go to these options right here by pressing on this arrow on the far right. So cut, copy, paste, replace. Press on the arrow right beside replace. And then where it says format, I want you to press on format. Then once you hear there's the options of bold, italicize, underline. So if you want to unbold it, you can unbold it. Same thing again. You can go to where it says format. Then if you want to italicize it, press on italic, and then you can press on done, and there you go. So pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can italicize text here on the Notes app. I hope this video helped. Thanks again for watching.